Hello friends, today we will learn how to convert from video to text through the website called Transcribe. So for that we need to go to Google and type Transcribe and click on the first result. You will come here to your workspace and click on new file and click transcribe. Either you can upload from your desktop computer from here if you choose this option, or you can also use link of your video. Click here and I go to my video, then I copy the link, come back here. So since I'm using free version, so I'm using standard. For the premium version, you need to buy. And click this transcribe. It's taking some time to convert a video file into text. So it's taking some time. So I also show you the features, other features of this website. So it support these main languages. Also support this Hindi as well. So it has translated your video file into text. Just click on it and check. So you can do some proofreading with this red text. Let's say here is the T is bigger. Or if don't want to do proofreading yourself, then you can also request for human proofreading. So that's a paid one. So you can copy this text, the word file. you want to download this file, then it's a you need to upgrade the plan. You can download in Word, PDF. So I have given the link of this website in description, and these are the other features of this website. Like it supports Hindi as well, and these are the other main language it supports. These are the other features. So you can upload any length, any size, port from other platform. Okay, so this is how you can convert your video file into text. Thank you guys.